Fix Forza Horizon 6 connection error, can't join Forza servers, network error, multiplayer issues on PC. 1. Restart your PC and router. Close Forza Horizon 6 completely. Restart your router/modem. Reboot your PC before reconnecting. 2. Check Forza and Xbox server status. Verify Forza Horizon online services are working. Check Xbox Live server status. Wait if servers are under maintenance. 3. Use stable internet connection. Connect using Ethernet cable if possible. Avoid unstable mobile hotspot connections. Pause large downloads running in background. 4. Sign out and back into Xbox app. Open Xbox app on PC. Sign out from your Microsoft account. Sign back in and relaunch the game. 5. Disable VPN or proxy services. Turn off VPN applications completely. Disable proxy settings in Windows. Restart the game afterward. 6. Allow game through firewall. Open Windows Defender firewall settings. Allow Forza Horizon 6 and Xbox app. Enable both private and public network access. 7. Repair Xbox app and gaming services. Open settings, apps, installed apps. Repair Xbox app from advanced options. Also repair gaming services. 8. Reset network settings. Open Windows Network reset settings. Reset all network adapters. Restart your PC after reset completes. 9. Check Teredo and Xbox networking. Open Xbox networking settings in Windows. Verify NAT type shows open. Fix Teredo connection if blocked. 10. Verify game files or reinstall. Verify and repair game files from launcher. Delete corrupted multiplayer cache if needed. Reinstall the game if issues continue.